My name is Asif Umer. Our today's activity is balloon magic activity, in which we will learn about Bernoulli's principle. So for this required things are two balloons, thread, paper towel tube and a meter rod. So first step is inflate the balloons and tie with the thread. Actually already set by me. Here you can see. The length of the threads same and the distance between these two balloons are approximately 10 inches. Now I am going to blow air between the gap of these two balloons. Let's check. Interesting. When I blow inside the gap of these two balloons, I am creating low air pressure. But here the high air pressure pushing the balloon towards the low air pressure. Let's check again. Now I am going to blow air inside the gap of these two cans. Let's check. The cans are attracting fast moving air, low pressure. Bernoulli's principle. I hope you like this activity. Bye bye.